spy camera hidden in an AC outlet with USB charging. This is a cleverly designed spy camera with the same appearance as an ordinary wall socket. Even the AC power supply and USB charging function of the socket are completely retained. This is a 1080p HD Wi-Fi camera. The lens is hidden inside the socket. The camera is powered by AC power, so it can run continuously all year round. After the camera is connected to Wi-Fi, it can be remotely monitored on a mobile phone or PC. A 32 GB memory card has been installed for video recording. The camera also has moving object detection and alarm functions. This hidden spy camera is suitable for use in the United States, Canada, Japan, Mexico, and Taiwan. You can buy it on Amazon or eBay. At the time of purchase, you can choose the lens angle level or the lens angle elevation 2 degrees. The shipping list includes socket hidden camera, panel, back box, and operation manual. What you need to do is to replace the original socket with this spy camera and connect to AC power, and open the App Store or Google Play on the phone to download the application. The subsequent setup is very simple. Let the phone connect to the camera's wireless hotspot first. After opening the app and completing the Wi-Fi connection settings, you can watch videos and songs remotely. You can also view the video recording file remotely, and even download it. Please open the introduction below this video, and choose to buy at Amazon's United States station, or Canadian station, or Japanese station.